Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use low sensitivity in Valorant. Low sensitivity settings are crucial for achieving precise aim, especially for those critical headshots. This approach emphasizes using your entire arm for aiming, rather than just your wrist, which provides more consistent control. Many professional players find their optimal EDPI, which is your mouse DPI multiplied by in-game sensitivity, falls within a range of 200 to 400. This range allows for fine adjustments and stable tracking. To find your ideal low sensitivity, first calculate your effective dots per inch, or EDPI. This is simply your mouse's DPI setting multiplied by your in-game sensitivity value. A solid starting point for many players aiming for low sensitivity is an EDPI around 280. Remember, this is a personal journey, so make small, gradual adjustments to your in-game sensitivity until you discover a setting that feels natural and allows for precise control during intense engagements. Mastering low sensitivity requires proper arm aiming technique. Instead of relying on your wrist, use your entire arm for broad movements and fine adjustments. This method demands ample space, so a large mousepad, ideally at least 16 by 18 inches, is essential for unrestricted movement. Furthermore, maintaining a consistent mouse grip is vital. It helps your muscle memory develop accurately, leading to more reliable and precise aim over time. Consistency is key to excelling with low sensitivity. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes each day to specific aim training routines, focusing on flick shots, tracking moving targets, and refining your crosshair placement. Utilize custom games or dedicated aim trainers for these exercises. Most importantly, resist the urge to frequently change your sensitivity. Sticking with one setting allows your muscle memory to solidify, leading to significant and lasting improvements in your overall aiming performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.